Yeah. Yeah. So it's like.
Oh, there we go. We're alive. Yeah. Turn into Hangout.
Hangout, Google Hangout.
Yeah. I'll try this. Hang on. We got to sort of say.
Yeah, we've got to look at ourselves.
Yeah. I can't see it. Are we introducing? There we go. Oh, there you go. You just name yourself to go around.
Mona.
Scott. Will.
David.
Jack. Ash. Mark.
Nikki. Sonia.
Michael. There we go. Okay. CJ. Okay. Well, yeah, I've got the back. Can't see anything. You know,
it's like
we tried. Yeah.
Exactly.
Double dream.
Well, we tried to start a YouTube live stream, but my computer shat itself, so we had to try get in and start with the Ustream. But with the YouTube live stream, you get an option of either starting with a custom ingestion and a custom encoding, and I had it all set up for the custom encoding because of a program I've got on the Windows of Medicam, and you can sort of set up different cameras into it. So I had a different ingestion setting, so it didn't recognise this the way I started it. So it just went through as you can set it up as either just a straight Google Hangouts. So I had to cancel the event and then start it again as just a Google Hangout, you know. So that's what it's playing as now. But if you go into your, I just wonder if you could. No, I don't think you can. Well, that's awesome. But you know, does anyone has anyone? So if you have the camera, we could be doing this. Sweet. Does anyone do live streaming from their channel?
No,
that's it.
There's good there's like good reasons to do it because it's straight audience engagement. It allows people to actually watch you live, which is cool.
Yeah, for webinars and stuff like that.
How is it valuable to people?
Because
Google Hangout
It teaches you and actually increases your audience participation.
Yeah,
Yeah.
audience participation is a huge thing.
Well, anything also with a Google Hangout, when you're looking at an SEO perspective, is that Google, once you've done a Google Hangout or even a live stream, it will automatically, when it's finished, it'll go straight to your particular channel that you're using. And if you tag it right, I mean, it's instantly recognised with Google with on an SEO perspective, so that it just goes straight into its video content, you know, with your keywords that you want, and it's uploaded straight away. And because it's, you know, through the Google setup, you know, it's a really, they see it as valuable content. You know, so, you know, anytime you're doing, and that's what
they actually devalued that as of a couple of weeks ago.
Well,
yeah.
No,
so
not
it's still good for SEO, but not as good
as good. That's what I'm saying. I mean, any trick thing with SEO is that's what, you know, one trick ponies. Hey, well, that's not, that'll never get you anywhere. But anything with decent SEO fundamentals, which is, you know, tagging, relevant content, you know, the descriptions, you know, that all works to your favour. You know, so but this way with and it's the same thing with anything with YouTube now. Like this, how many billions of minutes of YouTube's put up now? So yeah, you really it actually goes to that stage now that you really want to be able to.
What is their server like? Like YouTube server? Is it just a gigantic building?
Yeah.
Oh, it would be. Yeah, it would be.
It's Google data centers. Yeah.
I could imagine like this huge engine room, like going chuk 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 chuk.
Yeah, there's some guys just spinning coal into it.
Yeah.
Actually, like old technology.
YouTube has like a little like explanation page of how videos get delivered to you.
Oh, really?
Which is really cool. Actually, like it's got like those cool animations. And
stuff. Oh, cool. That's interesting.
They actually have servers. They try to deliver the content like close to your geographical location.
location so that it gets you faster. So they copy video files to the servers where they predict will be closest to the viewers.
Yeah.
So yeah, the actual video that you upload might be stored like
The
in multiple
server is
locations.
like worldwide. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, there's servers
Google's
all over
data
the world.
centers everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
Probably one in Brisbane.
Yeah, there is.
Underground.
Some hidden place. Yeah, that's cool.
Well, there's actually a data center offshore from California, which is done at the bottom of the ocean, and they use water cooling to keep all the systems.
Is that real?
Yeah, that's real.
Oh, I thought you were going for a joke.
No, that's real. Like, Google does some crazy stuff.
Yeah, one in Antarctica as well.
Yeah.
Is that, with these live streaming, has anyone made that popular yet with like live shows and
Good
whatnot? And
Oh,
do
yeah,
they have
yeah.
like followers?
Well, I know Twitch is huge, and that's
Yeah,
gaming.
For the gaming,
Yeah.
yeah.
There's someone else bought Twitch, like Amazon or something.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, I think YouTube was gonna buy it, but then like didn't, and then Amazon bought it.
Yeah, that's
Something.
Because I know all the gamers are using Twitch because live streaming on Google.
You gotta catch up
So
with all
this-
the people talking.
Yeah.
That's
It
popular
confuses the
too,
computer, though.
Like presenters, like they'll hop on Twitch and start
It's the same
playing,
as having your
talk about it, and there'll be people listening.
You can
to
actually, yeah. I had it set up on
Yeah.
the PC to do
Yeah,
it.
it's just game commentary. That's
Wow.
Yeah.
it. And
Well,
it's like professional
What's the
game.
user
Yeah, well,
documentation?
like the company Livestream,
Live
you know,
stream, yeah.
Livestream, they're just huge, you know. And
Yeah, but
And
once
live
it's
stream
actually
is
live,
popular because they actually also provide the box and the recording equipment.
yeah,
but what-
that's it. And they make it so simple, you know. But it's like anything here is like it's for us here. It's the upload speed. You know, anytime you're streaming, you know, you just need that upload speed. Otherwise, you get some pretty poor results, you know.
Well, it's gonna have some good internet at its new place.
Yeah, we're all over Will's place.
We're actually working with a mob that's
or
working out of
Scanner
Canada, and they're
TV.
using live streams to provide
Yeah.
indigenous training to people out in rural areas.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like we're teaching indigenous people out here in the Northern Territory, for example,
Yeah.
to learn how to cut hair so that they can work in salons and stuff. Because you can't get people out there to train them.
Yeah, no, it's just,
So they
yeah.
use live streaming
Yeah,
stuff to
yeah.
extend their
Look, I know. I really
Yeah.
think live streaming is the hidden sleeper at the moment for the next thing in YouTube. You know, because like, I mean, we're doing this. You know, we're going, oh, you know, it's a bit of fun and all this sort of stuff. You know, but if there was 50 other people who couldn't get here, who can go in here now, it's something we're looking to do with our. That's what we want to do with our cooking show. Is that every week we do a live stream.
Makes it easy too.
Yeah, and we just do because we just teach on natural cooking and gluten-free, dairy-free recipes, and so we just each episode is just like a people know it's on at that time, just like any regular TV. But the thing is, what happens then is with Google Hangouts or the live stream, the content then just gets delivered to Google or to the servers. You just repurpose it, you know, put it, clean it up, tag it better, or whatever you want to do.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
When you do a live stream, how do people in America know when it's going to be? Because there's different time zones and stuff like that. Is there like a timer?
You can schedule them. I've seen
You can
them
schedule,
come up
yeah.
So in 12 hours.
And it'll tell you, it'll tell you your time zone. So
Yeah.
like they'll say, you know, oh, it's on Monday, but it'll like it's Tuesday 3 AM or something.
Okay.
When it's scheduled, and it comes up like an action on your feed.
Cool. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, that's good.
And a lot of these new like webinar stuff that's coming out now. There's actually the one I tried to get this thing going with today was a thing called Run Click, and it's a webinar. They use Google Hangouts a system as the webinar driver. You know, so they've got they can have a whole system where you just register for the event, and they'll send you emails to let you know that it's on and stuff, you know.
If this was streaming live, I think there'd be a lot of unsubscribing.
No, you kind of negative.
What a hapless looking bunch.
What are you trying to say then? That we're not TV material? YouTube stars? Come on, let's just sing and dance. You got to do something to make it go viral.
Is this on your channel?
Hey?
Is this on your channel right now?
Yes, this will go up to, well, it'll go up to the Nichewebvideo channel lots of WhatsApp security away. But
Recordable?
yeah.
Once you go stop broadcast, is that all recorded?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. From here, it'll just automatically put it to your channel and put it there.
So we can't edit it before it actually goes up, just in case something happens.
No, it just goes straight up. Yeah, it's just raw file. Yeah. Well, it's you can. Yeah, you can delete. Well, the thing is, what it will do is you can select whether it's either private or unlisted as well. So you know, yeah, private.
If you have a viewer, like how quick can it tell you have someone like the numbers, like this. How fast does it refresh?
Within seconds, because we did this last time, and we had a couple of people log in and showed up pretty much straight away.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, this is really rough. If you get it done well, you can actually have a onboard.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It was like a minute or two.
Yeah, it was pretty massive.
Yeah. Because what you do, if you get it set up right, you've actually got a live viewer page. You know that you can see what the viewers are seeing and then what you're seeing.
And they can also comment, I think.
You can, yeah. You inside, well, it depends how you do it, but inside the Google Hangouts facility, it's got like a control room, and on that you can put, you know, animations, comments. You can put, you know, like what they call lower thirds on, if you know, so that your name on and stuff like that, you know. So
like overlays.
Overlays, yeah. And I mean, when we talk about YouTube live streaming. See, I've got to get one of mine. See, he looks funny with his wig on, doesn't he? What's it like? Look, there you are.
I miss my beautiful
Yeah.
hair.
He actually wants to wear the red wig.
The red,
The red wig, yeah.
Do a wig swap there.
We had to swap.
Yeah. No, the YouTube live streaming is just a bit more raw version of the Google Hangout technology, you know. But anyway, look, that's all our fun. Shall we say? Questions?
Skype, like has anyone used it for like? Is that so? That's a hangout, right?
It's a hangout,
Businesses use it.
Yeah.
A lot of channels that have multiple contributors from different parts of the world, like have a hangout where they've got all the people talking. It's like a hangout that everyone can see.
Yeah. Well,
I haven't really used Skype a lot. But
the difference is Skype. You've got to load down to your machine.
Yeah.
You know, but with Google, no, it's just, you know, it's cloud based.
Can you do that on your phone?
Well, you can access that was the trouble here. You can access a Hangout, but you can't initiate one with the phone. You know, you've got to start.
That'll be the next thing.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Can you imagine that? People just hanging out with people on their phones.
Well, it's what I said with that. There's this other app that we got called Hang With, and it's just an app, and it allows you to just stream straight from your phone, and it allows people who have logged into your Hang With that they can leave comments overlay over a live stream, you know, so you can.
So you could be reporting on an event like you know, the race.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm at this race. Check it out.
Well, we did that, didn't we, Darren? Yeah.
That's going to be like a huge.
That's the future.
It is, but you know, like these days.
Technology to
half an hour's battery now.
No, well, I think it's like with solar connections and stuff, like, you know, you carry one of these things around, you know, and like it's just a portable battery. Just plug it in, you know, and it gives you another day's worth of phone.
You can also get those phone cases with the battery in them. Those Mophie cases. Anyone ever heard of those?
Oh yeah.
They're pretty expensive.
Yeah. They've got them so the actual, it'll charge them as well. You know, there's a
I find the Uber selective.
Yeah. So, but all right. So, do we have enough fun with this? Have we, folks? We can say goodbye and all. See ya. Yeah. Okay. So here we go.
So that'll be uploaded.
Yeah. I can. All right. So, see ya.
Yeah.
So see ya.